I want to show you how easy it is for a merchant to simply update information quickly on their storefront, because here I am at the Andrews Valley Realtor. It's the end of the season and they have hour changes coming up, and I want to post a notification on their storefront. So first I'm going to do a quick search for their storefront. Here we get to their storefront, and now we're going to look down and see here we created this for them originally that has their hours. Now the tour times have changed to 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. only because of the end of the season here in November. So I'm going to go over to where I've logged in. This is what it would look like when you log in. You save your login credentials. This is what a store owner is now looking at, and all of this can be edited by them. And now I'm going to scroll down to the section beyond called highlights. That's where those images are. I'm going to tap choose file. I've created a simple screenshot of a text file that has the new updated information. I'm going to write updated info for end of season tours here in the caption, and then I hit update right here, and now it's changing that image, swapping it out. And now when I go back to their storefront, boom, I'm going to refresh, scroll down, and then boom, here it is, updated end of season information. It's that simple. No waiting for a webmaster. It's just swapping out an image. It's that simple. And if they want to change the text, they can add it to their text in the business details as well. Super simple, all completely controlled by the merchant.